Great lighting isn't just about brightness, it's about efficiency, durability, and design. And the Langjun JL-118A delivers all three, built with durable aluminum housing. The JL-118A combines high-quality LEDs, adjustable brightness, and a wide beam angle for full natural coverage. No dark spots, no glare, smart motion sensors, and dusk-to-dawn automation mean it lights when you need it and saves power when you don't. The benefits? Exceptional energy savings, IP65 protection for all-weather reliability, and hassle-free installation with minimal maintenance. In homes, it secures driveways and gardens. In commercial spaces, it enhances visibility and customer experience. And in public projects, it cuts costs while keeping cities safer and brighter. Compared to ordinary fixtures, the JL-118A lasts longer, uses less energy, and offers intelligent dimming most competitors can't match. It's more than a light, it's a smarter investment. Langjun JL-118A, reliable, sustainable, and built to last. The future of outdoor lighting starts here.